video is to give you entire update on what ACCA is all about. It covers benefits, what are the advantages, and yes, a little bit of drawback is also covered. We are very transparent in this video about ACCA, so to know everything, watch us till the end. Started on with the course structure and the exams. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and an Indian Chartered Accountant. I have been teaching for 5 years now, and I've had many students whom I've helped with their careers. I've mentored them, I have guided them in terms of which course they should be choosing, how they should go about in pursuing ACCA, and a lot more. And I hope this video will also help you decide your career. First, to start with, what is ACCA? ACCA is Association of Certified Chartered Accountants, and this is a UK-based body which provides the degree CCA to anyone that clears 13 of their papers. After clearing all these examinations, you are called an ACCA affiliate, and post getting 36 months of training and covering an ethics module, you become an ACCA member when you are completely eligible to sign any financial statements, which is not only valid just in UK, the governing country, but it is valid in 180 countries. Yes, you heard me right. 180 countries. That's the power of ACCA. You're going to become a chartered accountant recognized in 180 countries. Now, how do you cover that journey? It's pretty simple. There are just 13 papers that you need to write, which again, there is a lot of advantage and flexibility given to students. It's a very student-friendly course. So these 13 papers are split into 3 different levels. First one being the knowledge level, which has 3 papers: basic accounting, costing, and your business technology. So you could write it whenever you want to. The second level is applied skill level, which has 6 papers, and exam happens every quarter. So it happens March, June, September, and then December. So you can write the paper whenever you want to, in whichever order you want to. So it is not that you have to write the order of the paper P1, P2, P3, P4. You don't have to follow that. You could write any paper whenever you want to, and you can give individual papers, which is such a beautiful thing about ACCA, that you just write one paper, get 50 plus marks in that paper, and you're good to go. So that's with your applied skill level. The subjects that are typically are there are your auditing, taxation, law, accounting, costing and financial management, performance management and financial management. These are your 6 papers at your second level. Then your final level is called the professional level, which has 2 papers which are compulsory: strategic business leader, which is a case study based paper, and strategic business reporting, which is based on IFRS. Then you could choose any 2 papers out of the remaining 4, which is auditing, taxation, financial management and performance management. So again, there is so much beauty that you have some compulsory subject and some subjects which you can choose as your specialization in the field which you want to pursue ahead. So you have that option also available. Again, your final level are happening 4 times a year: March, June, September and December. Same pattern, get 50 plus marks in any exam and you clear it. Give it in any order, give it paper wise. So if you plan smartly, you can finish your 13 papers in 1.5 years. And then, yes, you are an ACCA eligible to sign. But yes, you have to get your 36 months of training along with that. Now, the catch to 36 months of training is you need to work under the finance field. It could be anyone. It could be any field. So it need not be auditing, taxation, accounting, which is a core field of ACCA. It could be anything related to finance. You need to work for 36 months. And yes, your experience prior to enrolling to ACCA is also considered. So let's say you have enrolled in 2020-23. You had experience before enrolling, then that work experience is also going to be counted for your 36 months of practical training. So that's, I think, really wonderful, because you do not have to worry or struggle about your practical experience. This was with your exam and the exam pattern. Now moving on to the job opportunities that you get. Like I told you, it is recognized in 180 countries in the world. So yes, your opportunities are global. All the doors are open for you. The typical fields are auditing, taxation, accounting, but ACCA will not limit you to just this field. Say if you have done a financial management at your professional level, then yes, you could get something related to investments, investment banking kind of a profile, analyzing funds. Those kind of profiles can also open to you. If you've done performance management at your professional level, then you can expect FP&A as a good profile for you. So profiles are not limited, opportunities are not restricted. You have global opportunities, global profiles, and to add cherry on the cake, if you complete your ACCA, you can directly do Masters in Accountancy from London University. So you get to enroll yourself into London universities without any formalities. So you have a direct entry, and once you finish your applied skill level, you also get a bachelor degree from Oxford Brookes University by just writing and research paper. So you have 2 extra qualifications that you can get after you complete your ACCA. Then the other advantage that is there is there are a lot of exemptions available. So based on your prior qualification, ACCA gives you exemption. So let's say you are an Indian chartered accountant. You do not have to write all the 13 papers because they understand you have enough knowledge. You are exempted from the first and the second level. You have to only write the professional level. Similarly, if you have done a BCom degree in India, then you do not have to write 4 papers, you only have to give 9 papers. So you have a lot of exemptions available when you are pursuing your ACCA. Now, very important, cost. I know you must be thinking it's a global course, so it will be expensive, but no, that is completely wrong. It is a very, very affordable course. So if you look at an international MBA, which would probably give you equivalent exposure in terms of job, it would cost you around 1 crore INR, more or less including your housing, your stay, your visa and all of it. Whereas your ACCA can just be done in 3 to 4 lakhs of rupees. Yes, 3 to 4 lakhs, that's it. You can finish your entire ACCA in 3 to 4 lakhs. Plus, you can also earn while you are getting your practical experience, and your initial pay package in India is average around 7 to 8 lakhs. So within 6 months you have a break even. So I think there is no doubt in terms of the cost and the return that you're going to get by doing this course. So that's the beauty of it. The little drawback that I was talking about is that you might not have signing authority in India, because in India you need to be a chartered accountant from ICAI to kind of sign. So that is a drawback. But yes, you are getting a lot of jobs. You can do every work that an Indian CA does, but you just can't sign a balance sheet. Not as of now. Maybe sometime in future, hopefully that also happens. So guys, that's all about ACCA. I hope you have understood everything about the course, the examination, the fee, the job opportunity. However, if you have any doubts, any queries, or you want any kind of mentoring and are confused if ACCA is the right course for you or no, please drop in a comment below and we will definitely get in touch with you. We are very happy to help you, mentor you, guide you throughout your careers. Until then, see you, take care. We'll be back with more such videos. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe and like our video.